So I am back with my new video, and I'm going to show you how to add ringtones on your Samsung J2. First of all, listen my ringtone. You can click in description below and get that song too. There my fan is open, so that kind of sound is coming. Go to settings, lock screen. Oh, sorry. Sound and notification, sound mode, ringtones and sound, ringtones and go to add ringtone and press done, and you can put your notification also. So guys, if you want to make money like this, we aim 50 like. If we get 50 likes, I will make video how to act this gangster with us. So guys, thanks, subscribe.